Ever wondered what your hair looks like up close? Let's dive into the fascinating world of human hair under a microscope. We'll start with a quick overview, then zoom in to see some incredible details. Your hair is made of a protein called keratin. This is the same protein that makes up your skin and nails. Each hair grows from a follicle in your skin. The hair shaft, the part we see, is actually dead cells. Now let's crank up the magnification. When we look at hair under a microscope, we can see the three main parts: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The cuticle is the outermost layer. It's like the shingles on a roof made of overlapping scales. These scales protect the inner layers. The arrangement of these scales can even help. Forensic scientists identify different types of hair. Next, the cortex. This is the thickest layer and contains the pigment that gives your hair its color. It also provides strength and elasticity. The cortex is where the action happens, determining your hair's overall characteristics. Finally, the medulla. This is the innermost layer, a canal that can be continuous, fragmented, or absent. Its presence and pattern vary. The medulla helps to determine the thickness of the hair. Under extreme magnification, we can see even more. We can observe the damage from styling, such as split ends and breakage. We can also see the effects of chemical treatments like perms and coloring. The surface reveals the true condition of your hair. So, the next time you brush your hair, remember the amazing microscopic world hidden within each strand. It's a testament to the complexity and beauty of even the smallest parts of our bodies.